Chapter 8 Introduction to C Programming. Chapter Focus. C character set, data types, constants, variables and keywords, rules for constructing variable names, instructions in C programming, operators. C is a programming language developed by AT&T Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. It was designed and written by Dennis Ritchie. C is reliable, simple and easy to use. C has survived for more than 3 decades. C language is a base to learn different programming languages. If you want to learn C++ or Java without the knowledge of C, it becomes very difficult to learn these programming languages. Many major components of popular operating systems like Windows, Unix, Linux is still written in C. Nothing beats C in terms of speed of execution. C character set. Any alphabet, digit or special symbol can be termed as a character. Below table shows list of valid alphabet digits and symbols allowed in C. Alphabet, digits, special symbols, constants, variables and keywords in C. A constant, variable or a keyword can be formed from any combination of alphabet, digits and special symbols. Constant. An entity whose value does not change throughout the program execution is called constant. Example 2, 5, 10, 2.5, 6.8, etc. Variable. A variable is an entity whose value keeps on changing throughout the program execution. However, it's not a rule that the value of the variable will change. A variable value might remain same throughout the program execution. However, the main difference between variable and constant is that we can't change the value of constant in between the program, but we can change the value of the variable during program execution. Let us take an example. We define a variable named x in a program. Let us say x equals 3. After some time during execution, we change the value of x to 6. Now, x equals 6. Here, value of x is getting changed, but the value of 3 and 6 will never change. Hence, x is called a variable and 3 is called a constant. Keywords. Keywords are the words whose meaning has already been explained to the C compiler. The keyword cannot be used as the variable name. If we try to do so, we are trying to assign new meaning to the keyword. The keywords are also known as reserved words. Example: for, if, static, while, do, break, etc. Rules for constructing variable names in C language. A variable is an entity whose value keeps on changing throughout the program execution. As we all know, data is stored in the memory of the computer. Actually, data is not stored in the variable. A variable is the name given to the memory location. A variable name is an entity that points to a particular memory location. Variable can be of different types. A variable name consists of any combination of alphabet, digits and underscores. Some compilers allow variable names whose whole length could be up to 247 characters. Still, it would be safer to stick to the rule of 31 characters. Please avoid creating long variable names as it adds to your typing effort. The first character of the variable name must either be alphabet or underscore. It should not start with a digit. No commas and blanks are allowed in the variable name. No special symbols other than underscore are allowed in the variable name. We need to declare the type of the variable name before making use of that name in the program. To declare a variable as integer, follow the below syntax. Int variable underscore name. Here int is the type of the variable named variable underscore name. Int denotes integer type. Following are the examples of type declaration statements. Example: int p, n, semicolon, float, space r, semicolon. Data types in C. C supports following data types. Int occupies 2 bytes 16-bit compiler or 4 bytes 32-bit compiler of memory. Float occupies 4 bytes of memory. Double occupies 8 bytes of memory. Char occupies 1 byte of memory. Int is used to define integer numbers. It occupies 2 bytes of memory, that is 16-bit compiler. Curly bracket, int amount, semicolon, amount equal 5, semicolon. Float is used to define floating type numbers. It occupies 4 bytes of memory, 32-bit compiler. Into parenthesis, float amount, semicolon, amount equal 1.200000. Double is used to store bit floating point numbers. It occupies 8 bytes of memory, 64-bit compiler. Double amount, semicolon, amount equal 1.20000000000. Char. Char is used to store characters. It occupies 1 byte of memory, 8-bit compiler. Char alp, alp equal A, in single quote, semicolon. The modifiers define the amount of storage allocated to the variable. Int, float and double have the following 4 modifiers. Short, long, signed, unsigned. Short is used to store short int. Long is used to store long int. Long double is used to store long double. Using signed int is redundant as int is signed by default. Modifier long can be applied to double data type. Following are the valid combinations. Long int or long for 32-bit compiler, 4 bytes. Short int or short for 16-bit compiler, 2 bytes. Signed int or int for 16-bit compiler, 2 bytes. Unsigned int for 16-bit compiler, 2 bytes. Short unsigned int for 16-bit compiler, 2 bytes. Long unsigned int for 32-bit compiler, 4 bytes. Char occupies 1 byte of memory. Signed char or char range 128 to 127 occupies 1 byte of memory. Unsigned char range 0 to 255 occupies 1 byte of memory. Long double occupies 10 bytes of memory. Data type bytes. Short int 2, short unsigned int 2, short signed int 2, signed int 2, unsigned int 2, long dot int 4, long unsigned int 4, long signed int 4, float 4, double 8, long double 10, char 1, signed char 1, unsigned char. Understanding the program in C. 1 backslash asterisk, 2 program colon, 3 addition of 2 numbers, 4 asterisk backslash, 5 double slash, here it starts, 6 hash include into angular bracket stdio.h, 7 hash include into angular bracket or conio.h, 8 void main into bracket, 9 open parenthesis, 10 int a comma b comma c semicolon, 11 slash star assign the values to the variables a and b, star slash, 12 a equal 5, 13 b equal 4 semicolon, 14 slash star perform addition of a and b star slash, 15 c equal a plus b semicolon, 16 print f into bracket slash n addition of a and b is percentage d in double quote comma c, 17 close parenthesis. Let us learn the above program in detail. Line from 1 to 4. this is the comments in the program. It is called multi-line comment. The text written within /* and */ are ignored by the compiler. Line 5. This is another way to comment a text or statement. It is called single line comment. The entire line following the tag / is ignored by the compiler. Line 6 and 7. #include is known as preprocessor directives. It tells the compiler to include text from another file, stuffing it right into your source code. stdio.h is a file name enclosed within angle brackets. The whole statement #include tells the compiler to take text from the file stdio.h and stick it into your source code before the source code is compiled. Line 8. This is the start of the main function. The program execution starts from this function. .main into bracket is the name given to set of statements. This name has to be main into bracket. Line 9. The statement that belongs to main with bracket are enclosed within a pair of braces. Line 10. Any variable that we need to use must be declared before using it. Line from 12 to 15. Here the values are getting assigned to the variables. Line 16. Once the value of a plus b is assigned to c, it needs to be displayed on the screen. We can use ready-made library function to display the value on the screen. One such function is printf followed by bracket. The general form of the printf function is printf followed by bracket and within bracket double quotes, comma, semicolon, can contain %d for printing integer values, %f for printing real values, %c for printing character values. /n is a new line character. It takes the cursor to the new line. It is one of the several escape sequences available in C. Line 9 and 17. The function body should be enclosed in opening and closing braces. Note: though comments are not necessary, it is a good programming practice to include comments in the program. Adding comments in the program increases the readability of the program. We can include as many comments as possible. A comment can be split over more than one line as shown in the above program. Line from 1 to 4. Any C statement always ends with a semicolon. Receiving input. In the above program, we have assigned the value 5 and 4 to A and B respectively, but every time we can't do so. A situation might arise wherein we need to take input from the user. Here, we will learn how to receive input from the user. Scanf. It is a standard library function in C. This function will accept the input from the user and store it in a particular user-defined variable. The syntax of this function is scanf into bracket, double quotes, comma, ampersand, can contain %d for storing integer values, %f for storing real values, %c for storing character values, ampersand before the variable name is a must. Ampersand is the address of operator. It gives the address used by the variable in memory. Let us consider an example. Scanf into bracket, %d in double quotes, comma, ampersand, small a. When we execute this statement, it will ask for input. Suppose the input given is 5. 5 will be stored as integer at the address of a variable a. We can print the value stored at that address using simple printf into bracket statement as shown below. Printf followed by bracket, %d in double quote, comma, small a. Do you know the following shortcut keys are used to compile and run the C program? Alt plus F9 to compile, Control plus F9 to run, Alt plus F5 to see the output on the screen. Instructions in C programming language. There are 3 types of instructions in C. They are as follows. Type declaration instructions, arithmetic instructions, control instructions. Type declaration instruction is used to declare the type of variables used in C. Any variable we want to use in the program must be declared before using it. This declaration is done using type declaration instruction. This declaration is done at the beginning of the main function. Example, int space pr, rt, load space amt, semicolon. Arithmetic instructions are used to perform arithmetic operations on variables and constants. Here we will learn some terms. These are operands and operators, the variables and constants on which arithmetic operation is done by arithmetic operators are called operands. Example 1. Here A, B and C are called operands. Equal plus are called operators. Example 2. Here A is integer variable, B, C and D are real variables. Equal is the assignment operator. Plus and asterisk or star are arithmetic operators. 10 is integer constant. 0.05 and 1.5 are real constants. Do you know? The statements if else, break, go to, switch, etc. are called control C programming operators. Operators are the symbols which operate on value or a variable. For example, plus is an operator to perform addition. C programming language has wide range of operators to perform various operations. For better understanding of operators, these operators can be classified as arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, conditional operators. Arithmetic operators. Operator, meaning of operator. Addition or unary plus, subtraction or unary minus, multiplication, division, remainder after division or modulus division. Example of working of arithmetic operators. Program to demonstrate the working of arithmetic operators in C. Output. A plus B equal 13, A minus B equal 5, A multiplied by B equal 36, A divided by B equal 2. Remainder when A divided by B equal 1. Assignment operators. The most common assignment operator is equal to. This operator assigns the value in right side to the left side. For example, variable equal 5, A equals C, 5 equals C. Operator examples same as A equal B, A equal B, A plus equal B, A equal A plus B, A minus equal B, A equal A minus B, A multiplied by equal B, A equal A multiplied by B, A divided by equal B, A equal A divided by B, A modulus division equal B, A equal A modulus division B. Relational operators. Relational operators check relationship between two operands. If the relation is true, it returns value 1, and if the relation is false, it returns value 0. For example, A is greater than B. Here, greater than is a relational operator. If A is greater than B, A greater than B returns 1. If not, then it returns 0. Relational operators are used in decision-making and loops in C programming. Operator, meaning of operator. Example, equal to 5 equal to 3 returns false 0. Greater than 5 greater than 3 returns true 1. Less than 5 less than 3 returns false 0. Not equal to 5 not equal to 3 returns true 1. Greater than or equal to 5 greater than or equal to 3 returns true 1. Less than or equal to 5 less than or equal to 3 returns false 0. Logical operator. Logical operators are used to combine expressions containing relation operators. In C, there are 3 logical operators. operators. Meaning of operator. Example: and, logical and, logical or. Example: logical not. Example. Explanation. For expression to be true, both and should be true, but is false in the given example. So, the expression is false. For expression to be true, either expression should be true. Since is true, so the expression is true. Since expression is true is false. Conditional operator. Conditional operator takes three operands and consists of two symbols. Conditional operators are used for decision making in C. For example, if C is greater than 0, value of C will be 10. But if C is less than 0, value of C will be minus 10. Syntax of conditional operators. Conditional underscore expressions question expression 1 colon expression 2 semicolon. If the test condition is true, expression 1 is returned, and if false, expression 2 is returned. Example of conditional operator. Do you know Turbo C and Turbo C++ software are used to write, compile and execute the C program? Output. Enter 1 if the year is leap year, otherwise enter 0 colon 1. Number of days in February equal 29. Points to remember. C is a programming language developed by AT&T Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. It was developed and designed by Dennis Ritchie. Alphabets, digits and special symbols are termed as character sets. An entity whose value does not change throughout the program is called constant. An entity whose value changes throughout the program is called variable. The operators plus, minus, star, slash are arithmetic operators. The operators equal, plus equal, minus equal, star equal, slash equal are assignment operators. The operators equal, greater than, small than, less, greater than, smaller than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, is not equal to are relational operators. The operators are logical operators. The operators are conditional operators. A. Tick the correct option.